Hi, I'm Adi. Today we're going to talk about pain. Not your everyday existential pain, but more specifically, pain in the kitchen. Let me guess, you're sick and tired of always cutting, cleaning, and peeling? You've had enough of when your food ended up tasting not the way you expected? Let's not even talk about the dreadful sight of a full sink. Luckily, unlike in life, when it comes to cooking, pain is optional. What if I told you you have the option to cook without doing any of the cutting, cleaning, or peeling, and you could start and end cooking in less than 20 minutes, and that you could make 10 dishes with just one product, and all of them taste unbelievably good? I know what you're thinking.
Artificial.
What
I just have one thing to say about all of this. Artificial who? If that wasn't enough, hear this. All our products have hand-picked ingredients and have no trace of any harmful artificial ingredient. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it is true. You can try it out yourself. Because you don't have to worry about all of that nonsense. All you need to focus on is cooking and enjoying the moment. Cook smart, not hard.